Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, I am going to show you how we set the position of our PDF file, like if our PDF file is completely rotated, how we can adjust this. So here I have a PDF file, but you can see their position is not correct. So I need to adjust this position according to requirement. So it's very easily, simply go to the Google. Here we need to type I love PDF. This is the website we are going to use. Just simply click on this, and here we have an option of, yeah, here, rotate PDF. Just click on this and just select the PDF file. So this is my PDF file. I need to adjust this. So here you can adjust the PDF according to your requirements. So this is my PDF and it's completely adjusted according to my requirement. Just convert this and download the PDF. So here's the output. Here you can see now my PDF is adjusted properly by rotating it according to requirement. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.